In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use Instacart at Costco as a member item. So let's just get straight into the video. So in order to go ahead and use Instacart at Costco, which allows members and non-members to get items delivered for curbside pickup with members linking their cards to earn executive rewards. So all you need to do is simply go ahead and link your membership. So first things first, members should link their active Costco membership to their Instacart account to unlock lower in warehouse pricing. Also, valid executive members can receive a $10 monthly credit on orders of $150 plus pre-tax when shopping on the same day Costco site. So that is about it. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below. If you're going to the store and want to go ahead and understand how to use Instacart, then just inform the employee at the entrance that you have an Instacart shopper or you are an Instacart shopper and search by department or specific item. So I hope this